Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of mind-boggling chess puzzles. So here we will see it from the white perspective. What do you play here as black? It is black to move. Any guesses? Okay, so black plays rook to d2, attacking the b2 pawn and activating their rook. So now white starts thinking, I want to win but also want to defend, so how do I? So he goes knight a4, defending both the bishop, attacking the bishop and defending the b2 pawn. So what does black do now? Well, black sacrifices the rook. Oh, we see Levi Rosman coming to appreciate us. Yes. So white doesn't have much of a choice and he takes. Now we go pawn to c3. Now if they go knight d3, then we have pawn to c4 and then it's a check and we pick up the knight. That's a completely winning endgame. So white just gives up the rook. If pawn takes rook, then white can go knight d3 and knight c1 and black's pawns are stopped. But no, black is way smarter. So if pawn takes knight, then of course there is rook takes pawn. Black plays here the amazing move. Like, I'll give you people 10 guesses and I bet you won't guess it. The move is pawn to c4. So the idea is if knight takes pawn, then pawn to c2 and nothing more to be done, winning can be stopped. It also takes away the valuable d3 square where the knight would come and block the passed pawns. So not left with much of a choice, white goes rook b4, attacking the pawn. And now if black takes the knight, then just rook takes and it's over. But black goes pawn to a5. This is my personal favorite move. So we are forcing the rook to move away now. What does white do? Well, white doesn't have anything left, so he just takes the pawn. And on the very next move, now of course you guys can see the winning move, which is pawn to c2, and here white resigned. Please like, share and subscribe.